Welcome to my review channel. Today we're conducting a professional review of Michael Cheney's AI Partner and Profit System. This review will provide you with an objective analysis of the product's features, benefits, limitations, and overall value proposition. AI Partner and Profit is positioned as an AI-powered business partnership program created by Michael Cheney, who markets himself as a seven-figure business owner. The system is priced at $19.95 for the initial offering. It promises to provide a done-for-you approach to online business through artificial intelligence automation, targeting individuals seeking passive income opportunities without extensive technical knowledge. The AI Partner and Profit System advertises several key components: done-for-you business model, AI-powered automation, training and mentorship, marketing materials, and partnership structure. The program claims to eliminate the need for product development by providing pre-made, high-converting products and services, with AI handling marketing tasks, sales processes, and customer service. The advantages include a low initial investment at $19.95, automation focus, established framework, comprehensive training, marketing support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. However, there are significant limitations. The marketing materials feature aggressive income claims like $447K done-for-you business that should be viewed with skepticism. Concerns include unrealistic income claims, likely upsell structures, market saturation issues, limited differentiation, AI technology limitations, and dependency on the creator's continued involvement. While the initial price of $19.95 seems accessible, potential buyers should anticipate additional costs through upsells, premium training, and the reality that legitimate business building requires time investment, additional tools, and ongoing education. This product appears designed for beginners seeking passive income, individuals with limited technical skills, and people looking for low-cost business entry points. However, experienced marketers may find limited value. Any legitimate business opportunity requires consistent effort and learning, market research, adaptation to changing conditions, and ethical marketing practices. Success comes from developing genuine skills and providing real value to customers. Based on our analysis, AI Partner and Profit presents both opportunities and significant limitations. Proceed with caution if you expect completely passive income or believe automation eliminates all work requirements. Consider this product only if you understand it as one educational resource among many, have realistic expectations about business building, and plan to use it as a learning tool rather than a complete solution. Remember that successful online business building requires dedication, continuous learning, and ethical practices. No system can guarantee results, and sustainable success comes from providing genuine value to customers. If you found this review helpful, please subscribe for more objective product analyses. Leave your questions in the comments and remember to always conduct your own research before making investment decisions.